Mula folk tales hanggang indigenous stories. Dahil sa kagustuhan ng mga Pilipinong nanay na ma-expose ang kanilang mga anak sa mga kwentong hango mismo sa pinagmulan ng mga Pilipino, nabuo ang children's book na Once Upon the Sun and Sea. Silipin sa ulat ni Rhea Santos.
Just, when you tell stories at bedtime, all the stories I knew, Rhea, were from somewhere else, right? It was, I'd know Greek myths by heart or fairy tale, like Grimm Brothers fairy tales or like Hans Christian Andersen. We have all of these stories that we know by heart, but none of them were from the Philippines, and I felt real bad.
Inspirasyon ng author na si Denise Orosa ang kanyang anak sa hangarin na magkaroon ng children's book laman ng mga kwentong Pilipino. Kasama ng kanyang kaibigan na co-author na si Joe Chongson Perez, nabuo ang children's book na Once Upon the Sun and Sea, isang compilation ng 8 indigenous stories at 3 folk tales, mga kwentong mula mismo sa Pilipinas.
We weren't really taught, Itneg stories or Tagbanwa stories. We wanted to try and get a good representation of stories from across the Philippines. So we tried to find stories from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
Sa tulong ng isang non-profit group mula Pilipinas, ginalugan nito ang iba't ibang komunidad para ma-record ang kwento ng mga indigenous elder na ipinasa naman kay Orosa at sa kasama nitong si Perez.
We had to take these stories that sometimes were also quite long and try to kind of condense them into kind of a clear story without losing the spirit or the details that were important.
This is my first anthology book because usually as a book illustrator, you only get to illustrate one. So with this, what are the chances to get 8 in one book? So it's an amazing thing. I get to do fable, I get to do an epic, I get to do a myth.
Talento ng Caviteña na si Tin Javier ang makikita sa children's book na ito. Miyembro ng INC o Ilustrador ng Kabataan sa Pilipinas. Hangad daw niyang maipakita ang kagandahan ng mga kwentong sariling atin sa pamamagitan ng illustration gamit ang paper collage.
I only reserve this style to specific books that I think really needs it. And this is one of the books that I've put it into. Paper collaging for me is like, it's like if you can do digital art, that is my highest form of art. I concentrate so much that I put so much energy na sometimes I don't know, I get lost in the process.
Mabibili ang children's book na Once Upon the Sun and Sea online.
It is also the way of the Canadian Filipinos to get to know their origins.
They give you a sense of place, they give you a sense of identity, and they keep you connected.
Rhea Santos, Omni News, Vancouver.